As I turned 40, iron deficiency anemia entered my life, and it is just not going. And today we have Dr. Supriya at Mom First Center, who will actually help me in decoding what's exactly happening with my hemoglobin. So these are my reports, Dr. Supriya. Let's see where you can, how you can help me.
As I can see that your red blood cell count is reduced and your hemoglobin right now is at 9.5. The size of the red blood cell seems to be normal here, which is not what we expect in iron deficiency anemia. So in iron deficiency anemias, the RBCs will be much smaller in size, whereas here it doesn't look like that. Okay. And your hematocrit is reduced, which is basically how packed or what percentage of your blood is made by RBC, which is red blood cell. Right? So from the looks of it, I can say that it looks like a normocytic anemia and not iron deficiency. However, just to confirm, we will need to do your iron profile because that will give us a more accurate picture. But looking at this, I just want to ask you, have you had any menorrhagia or increased blood loss during periods?
So I think since almost last 3 to 4 years, I have these big fibroids which are sitting in my uterus. And I have been recommended to do hysterectomy, which I am refusing because as a pelvic floor therapist, I have seen many cases where you really lose your pelvic floor health after doing hysterectomies.
Right.
I'm waiting for my natural onset of menopause.
Right.
So that's where I am right now.
Yeah, so that history perfectly aligns with this blood picture because there is increased blood loss, and I can just see these parameters and tell you that it is related to that and not necessarily iron deficiency. So we see a lot of women continuously taking iron supplement when they don't even know that they have iron deficiency or not. So we need to find out the cause, and which is why we need to dive a little bit deeper on your numbers because one number is not something that that will be same for everybody, right? So it has to be personalized, and yeah, that's what I feel this is. But you need to do iron profile just to be sure.
So we'll do that. So see, everything has to be personalized, not only your fitness and nutrition. I think the blood work and the diagnosis and the medications after the diagnosis.
Absolutely.
Yes, thank you so much.